Well, syempre napakasaya, napakasarap sa pakiramdam to be back in the finals. Di ba? It's been a while, di ba? Isang taon din halos. Tatlong conferences na nawala. So, actually, I think no words can explain kung ano din yung feel namin as of the moment. Kasi, one, kompleto kami. Ngayon, two, nakapasok pa kami sa final. So, God is good talaga to us. Most especially today. Siguro, in this conference, our mindset is actually to get to know more of us, Creamline. Kasi ngayon lang, sabi ko nga, ngayon lang ulit kami na kompleto. So yung growth namin, yung journey namin, iba yung growth namin, iba yung pagkakakilala namin in a deeper level din talaga this conference because of all the challenges. So we're very, very glad and happy na na-experience namin yon. So coming into this finals, siguro, ang gusto lang namin maipakita and makita kung sino din talaga ulit yung Creamline Cool Smashers after all these struggles.